Have you ever thought to yourself, wow, I love my dishwasher. I think my dishwasher is great, although I just really, really wish it was smaller and worked less well. This is a handheld dishwashing product straight out of China. I think this will probably be the most absurd thing I ever bought. I'm kind of ashamed to say this cost over $100. I was expecting to have to build this. Also, something that's interesting, I read the reviews. There were a couple of people that actually bought this, I think unironically. They actually thought this was a good idea. And then when they received it, and when all of the instructions were in Chinese, and it didn't work, they were very confused and very surprised that, that the company was kind of non-responsive. It was hard to get any kind of refund. So yes, if this actually works at all and makes it to the end of the video without breaking, I will consider that a great success. What the So, I don't know exactly how it works just yet, but the idea is you... it's like an alien being. That's so strange. But yeah, the idea is you somehow put the plate, I think in here, and then you pull down this claw thing. These two arms perhaps hold the plate in place whilst you plug it in. Not sure what these buttons do. Somewhere in here is a motor that spins the plate around. Let's plug it in and let's see what happens when you squeeze that thing down. It's already feeling pretty janky. Okay, interesting. This is just some random... Oh, actually that looks like it goes there. As you can see, it's not the most well-made product, I think, to say the least. All right, let's plug it in. There's two more boxes that this came with, so let's see what's in there. Presumably some kind of plug. Yep. And another box with nothing in it. I'm not sure which kind of plug this is. Maybe it's proprietary to this one thing. Oh God. It's interesting that the hole itself is square, but the plug, or the thing I'm plugging into it, is round. I think it will probably go in, but that's not exactly what I would call a flush fit. Makes me a little bit nervous. Okay, something really strange is happening. So I just plugged this in. Bear in mind I haven't plugged this into a wall yet. A light just came on. What the fuck? Where's that power coming from? I guess somehow it's coming from this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, that seemed to turn it on. I guess that's just to charge it. Okay, so I think this turns it on. And that turns it off again. Does this speed it up and slow it down? Okay, let's try it. Just imagine someone buying this. Imagine someone seeing this thinking, oh yeah, that's exactly what I've been waiting for. imagine someone pitching this. The idea for this, it's like, yeah, you know, just like, it's like a thing that you hold and it spins plates around, and then there's like a brush in there and it cleans your plates for you. And someone must have been like, yeah, that's a really good idea. I think you jam it. Okay, I think you do this. Okay, that actually kind of works. So you jam it in there, do that, and then I think you press one of these buttons. Let's see. Holy shit! That actually works. Okay, watch this. It's probably hard to tell, but the plate is spinning. Oh my god. And then you take the plate out and it's supposed to just be done. I'm curious how wet this can get without it just breaking, but so far it seems to still be working okay. Imagine someone using this. Imagine going over someone's house for like a party or something and then whipping this thing out just really casually. I do think one limitation is that it can only really do plates. Let's try it with this bowl and just see what happens. Oh! Well, slight flaw in the design there. It's actually adding some of the dirt, I think, that got caught up inside of it, but we can just ignore that for now. This is amazing. Yeah, I think I'm just going to use this now, just to wash all my stuff up. Yeah, highly, highly recommended.